Hello, my babies. Been feeling very much everybody's emotions lately, and I wonder if people actually ever feel me. And I believe that I've always been one of these people. I feel you type of person. I understand where you're coming from type of person. Many times I let that lower my vibration to a certain level that I sometimes have to snap out of it. And it's not an easy thing to do. I know that many people out there are empaths, and I believe that everything is about intention and attention. What is your intention in life and what you give attention to? You have to master the art of not letting that drag you down. Whatever you offer, those thought vibes is what the law of attraction is responding to. Even if you think, how can I get this? How can I obtain this that I want? Just asking that in that way is the wrong way, because you are asking us, how can I have that? I don't have that right now. Basically, that's the vibe that you're giving out. So very much often, even if you are a happy and positive person, how I believe I am, or how people have told me, that means that there is more negativity outside of you than inside of you. Don't realize that we are naturally happy people and loved and loving and all these things and giving. And the fact that we have to deal with people around us that is negative most of the time is crazy. Like, people will come and talk to you, how are you? And the first thing people focus on, even I do as well, it's, oh, today was this or that or whatever. We tend to always talk about what's negative first. So we are focusing, and our attention subconsciously is on that negative thing that happened. Stay away, like involve yourself until a certain level. I always say stay in your bubble. I imagine like a bubble of happiness around me physically, like I do imagine it and I see it. You say hello, people don't say hello back or whatever. It's not a reflection of you, it's a reflection of them. So let them be, don't get trapped into their vibe. Imagine this, somebody is down here and you are over here. There is such a gap, but we think that we have to lower ourselves down here to meet them and be sympathetic with them. That's not true. If we hold our high vibration, our positive vibration up here while they are down here, it's more likely that they will eventually raise the vibration to our level, because we will help them. With this, I'm going to finish this quick video just for you to think about this throughout your day. The only way that people can stay in your life and in your experience, I'm talking about negative people, the only way they can stay there and remain there, it's actually when you are giving constant attention to them. There is nothing that can reach you when you are here. It's not your responsibility and it's not your business how people feel. All you can do is help them. Stay true to yourself, and that's my advice for the day. I hope this helped you, served you, and if you want to connect, if you want to talk, let's do it. If you are feeling these videos, if you like what you're hearing, if you want more advice, anything like this, then just subscribe and hit the bell button as well, so that way you get notified, guys. I love you. I'll be back soon with more. Until then, remember, let the world know who you are, guys. We are going to raise the whole vibration of the planet if we continue staying positive, staying focused, and in our line. I promise you that nothing that is negative is going to touch you, it's going to harm you. The ship can float, but it's not going to sink unless you let the water get in the ship. So be the ship. Hold that power. I love you. I'll see you soon. Until then, besos. Bye.